can the Federal Reserve afford to increase the interest rates right now?
Yes. The question is not, can it afford to raise interest rates, but rather, how much can they afford to raise interest rates? So right now, the expectation levels of the rise in interest rates make it so that America should have a 0.5% negative rate of return, which is better than the 1% negative rate of return it's had recently. So you have real inflation in the economy as an interest rate or as a percentage, and then you have interest rates. So in a good economy, the interest rates will hopefully return more than inflation, and then you're making money. If you're returning more on your investment, whatever that is, than interest in or inflation in the economy, then you're making money. If your investments are returning less, then you're losing money, and you have a negative real rate of return. America has recently, like many countries in the world, printed unprecedented amounts of money. They did that after a financial crisis, and they believed that was a way to stave off depression. I'm not going to comment on whether it did or didn't. It looks like it has staved off depression that everyone thought was imminent. But what all that printing hasn't done is restarted the engine of the economy. The velocity of money is at unprecedented lows as well. So while they've printed huge amounts of money, they haven't managed to start the engine of growth to get that money circulating in the economy again.
Well, the banks all just hoarded it, didn't they?
Yeah, for lack of a better word. But eventually, the banks should start lending it out again.
Yeah.
And when interest rates are a little bit higher, that should make them want to lend out more money. And when good projects and good growth start coming through their doors, and things that could make them some real money come through the door, hopefully they'll start lending out that money again, and the engine of growth will start again.